How everybody doing today? It's MB Trucker 68. How you guys out? How everybody doing today? Today's weigh-in day. This will be weigh-in number 8. And my last weigh-in was at 252 was my last weigh-in. So we'll see how things will go today. I mean, I feel I had a pretty decent week. Pretty confident, you know. I'm pretty sure I should drop a couple pounds. Like I said, all I do as far as exercise is walk, and that's about it. I don't do nothing else, you know, no gym, none of that stuff. Just walk, and I just try to eat right. So, let's see, week number 8. Let's see what's gonna happen. Had a lot of, you know, like I said, I went to this place called Sioux Plantation, which I have a video on that earlier. That's the only place I went out to eat, you know, other than home this week. Sioux Plantation is pretty good. One of your local areas, you try to look into them, especially if you're into healthy eating. Very good place to eat at. But other than that, you know, I feel it was a pretty decent week. You know, a lot of shakes, and some salads here and there, and you know, guacamole, something I like, avocado. But other than that, that's probably been my week. I'm pretty basic with my food. I can eat the same thing. It doesn't bother me. You know, I don't have to have something different every day. So it's pretty basic. But all right, well, I'm gonna do this weigh-in. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, and let's see, 252. This was last week. Let's see where I'm at this week. All right, here we go in a second.